Are you looking for the best ring lights? In this video we will look at some of the best ring lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ShiftCam SnapGrip Creator Kit. The ShiftCam SnapGrip Creator Kit is a top choice for content creators who need a reliable light on the go. This portable device turns a phone into a more traditional-looking camera by adding a shutter button, light, and detachable mini tripod to any smartphone. The tripod legs also easily collapse down into a selfie stick. This light uses MagSafe magnetic technology to quickly click in place on your phone. It even comes with an adapter sticker that turns any non-iPhone into a MagSafe magnet-compatible device. It also strikes us as high quality and comes with a semi-rigid case to protect the light and battery. This light has just a few drawbacks worth noting. First, it is not especially bright. It does the job for selfies or anything within close range, but much more than an arm's length away, and its effectiveness fades fast. Second, it's heavy, which you might notice if you plan on taking a bunch of selfies with the included stick. When attached to the stick, the weight of the light combined with the phone sometimes forces the pivoting ball joint to slump over at an angle. However, for convenience and quality in a tiny package, this light is our go-to when on the go. If you can't swing the cost, check out our favorite portable budget model, the Xinbaohong Clip-On. It's lightweight, affordable, and fits in your jacket pocket, so you can take a selfie whenever the moment strikes. Number 2. TODI 12-inch Ring Light. TODI 12-inch ring light provides 3 color lighting modes: warm light, cool white, daylight, and 10-level brightness from 10% to 100%. It is the perfect extra light to take away all the unflattering shadows. The arched lampshade design makes the light more even and balanced, reduces the stimulation of the light and protects the eyes. Extending from 18 inches to 63 inches, aluminum alloy weighted tripod bases for increased stability and prevents tipping over. Soft material designs for phone holder, allows for 360 degrees rotation that provides infinite viewing angles. Position your ring light at the perfect angle to enjoy a more relaxed and comfortable lighting. Equipped with a detachable stand, which can be used as a ring light, or a selfie stick without stand. The detachable stand is designed to be light and flexible for easy disassembly, can be folded as a table tripod or unfold to stand on the floor easily. Add natural, bright, color-adjustable lighting for makeup, live streaming, selfie, photography, and video conference. You can enjoy the cozy lighting moments at any time. Number 3. Xinbaohong Clip-On Ring Light. The Xinbaohong Clip-On is a lightweight and compact clip-on ring light for smartphones. It offers multiple temperature settings, continuous dimmer capability, and the most basic setup imaginable, all at a very affordable price. It clips directly to the phone, like a chip clip. A single power button turns the light on, and successive presses cycle through the temperature modes. Super easy. It can easily fit into a backpack, purse, or jacket pocket. This is a great option for budget-conscious social media posters and selfie takers alike. While the price is right, this ring light has some downsides. When using it in a portrait orientation, the clip mount blocks the rear-facing camera of many phones, which is an issue when taking a non-selfie photo. To mitigate this problem, you either have to slide it to the corner or a different side of the phone. Another consideration is the light itself is not particularly bright, so if you photograph anything more than an arm's length away, this light won't make a noticeable difference. Also, for everything we love about this mini light, it feels lower quality than other premium portable options. Still, for its simplicity and ease of use at a steal of a price, the Xinbaohong is a nice portable light for selfies. If you have a little wiggle room in your budget, check out the well-designed Ubezis 10-inch with tripod, which includes a solid tripod and is quite bright. Number 4. Westcott 18-inch Bicolor LED Ring Light. The Westcott 18-inch Bicolor LED has you covered, from selfies to outdoor shoots. With 2435 lumens and a 3200K to 5600K temperature range, you'll be set for photography, video calls, blogging, and much more. This ring light has a continuous dimmer and digital readout, allowing you to fine-tune brightness and temperature with the turn of a dial. The digital readout lets you quickly change settings based on external light conditions. The light includes two NPF 750 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries and a battery charging port. These batteries keep the light going on full power for 70 minutes, and there is also a wall-powered option for extended use. This ring light comes with a sturdy tripod and mounting accessories capable of holding a DSLR camera or smartphone. In addition, it has a USB port capable of charging phones and other electronics to avoid low battery interruptions. This light and its accessories fit nicely into a well-made storage bag with separate light, tripod, and battery compartments. The Westcott 18-inch might be too big, depending on your lighting needs. Setup requires a tripod, so adequate floor space is necessary. Also, it lacks a remote and does not offer Bluetooth availability to control the light settings remotely. Compared to a standard ring light, this model is also a bit more expensive, but we found the high-quality construction and utility well worth the cost and great for various applications. If a compact, remote-triggered ring light is what you're after, you can enjoy the UBezice 10-inch tabletop at a fraction of the price. Number 5. EOTO upgraded 18-inch LED ring light. The ring light equipped with touch screen panel. You can change the brightness and color temperature on the touch panel, let you operate easily and work more effectively. The ring light tripod is made of aluminum alloy for stabilizing the makeup ring light. Adjustable height ranges from 31.5 inches to 72.8 inches, pretty stable 3-leg stage design and solid locking system keeps all your stuff in safe. Special LED SMD design give off great light, ranging from 2900K to 6500K color temperature without change the color filter, 10% to 100% brightness adjustable, bright enough, perfect for portraits, vlog, livestream and selfie. Equipped with 100-240V global voltage. You can take photos and videos directly with the wireless selfie Bluetooth controller. No need to touch your phone screen, super user-friendly. The LED ring lights are controlled via the IR remote control from up to 2.5 meters away, 98-inch, with our IR remote. If you need to shooting with more cell phones or camera, this is your best choice. 3 hot shoe ports allow you mount 3 phones or 2 phones and 1 small camera at the same time. Also it comes with 2 USB charging ports for your smartphone charging while live streaming.